Hello my friends, you're welcome to solve this math problem. To simplify this square root of 26 to the power of 4 plus 39 to the power of 4 plus 65 to the power of 4 over 2. In the first step, we start by letting a as 26 and b as 39. And from here, a plus b is equals to 26 plus 39, and it will be 65. So in next step, we write this expression, and it will be square root of, this is a, so a to the power of 4 plus b to the power of 4 and plus a plus b to the power of 4 and over 2. And in here, as you know, a plus b to the power of 4 is equals to a to the power of 4 plus b to the power of 4 and plus 4a cube b plus 4ab cube and plus 6a square b square, right? So it will be this is equals to square root of in here we have a to the power of 4 plus b to the power of 4 and plus a plus b to the power of 4 is equals to this. We can write this. So it will be a to the power of 4 plus b to the power of 4 and plus 4a cube b and plus 4ab cube and plus 6a square b square, right? And over 2. So in next step, this is equals to square root of a to the power of 4 plus a to the power of 4, it will be 2a to the power of 4 and plus b to the power of 4 plus b to the power of 4, it will be 2b to the power of 4 and plus in here we have 4a cube b and plus 4ab cube and plus 6a square b square and over 2. So in next step, in here in denominator we factor 2, so it will be square root of, in here we factor 2 and it will be a to the power of 4 plus b to the power of 4 and plus 2a cube b and plus 2ab cube and plus 3a square b square, right? And over 2. And here these two will cancel this, so it will be square root of a to the power of 4 plus b to the power of 4 and plus 2a cube b plus 2ab cube and plus 3a square b square, right? So in next step, this is equals to, in here we have a to the power of 4 plus b to the power of 4, and in here we have 3a square b square, right? So we can write this as 2a square b square and plus a square b square, right? And in here we have 2a cube b and plus 2a b cube. So in next step, from these three parts, this is in the form of x square plus y square and plus 2xy, which is equals to x plus y to the power of 2, right? So we write this in this form, and it will be, in here we can write this a to the power of 4 as a square to the power of 2, right? And plus in here we can write this b to the power of 4 as b square to the power of 2, and plus in here we have 2 times a square times b square, right? And plus this a square b square and plus 2a cube b plus 2a b cube. So in here this is in this form, so we can write square root of x plus y to power of 2. X is a square plus y is b square, and to power of 2. And plus, in here we have a square b square plus 2a cube b and plus 2a b cube. And it will be square root of a square plus b square to power of 2, and plus in here we have a square b square, and this can be written as a times b to power of 2, right? And plus, from these two parts we factor 2ab, so we factor 2ab, and this divided by 2ab it will be a square, and this divided by 2ab it will be b square, right? So in next step, this is also, we can write this a square plus b square to power of 2, and plus ab to power of 2, and plus in here this can be written as 2 times a square plus b square and times ab, right? So in here this is also in the form of x square plus y square and plus 2xy. It will be x plus y to power of 2, which is x is a square plus b square and y is ab, right? In here x square is a square plus b square to power of 2, x square, and in here we have y is ab, so y square is ab to power of 2, and 2xy, 2 times a square plus b square times ab, right? So it will be square root of, we can write in this form, x plus y to power of 2, so it will be x is a square plus b square and plus y is ab to power of 2. So in here these two will cancel this square root, and it will be a square plus b square and plus ab. So in next step we recall this a is equals to 26 and b is 39. So it will be in here a is 26 and b is 39. So this is equals to, in here we have a square, it will be 26 to power of 2, and plus b square, it will be 39 to power of 2, and plus a times b, 26 times 39. And this is equals to 26 to power of 2 plus, in here we factor 39, so this divided by 39 it will be 39, and plus this divided by 39 it will be 26, and it will be 26 to power of 2, it will be 676, and plus 39 times, in here 39 plus 26 it will be 65, and this is equals to 676 plus 39 times 65, it will be 2535, and this is equals to 3211, and this is our final answer. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and see you in the next video. Goodbye.